Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold. Now starting from monthly start of the month and the first week of the month, and double doji in previous couple of months, and I'm expecting the prices to move to the downside, but let's see. Considering the monthly low, previous monthly low is this. Once this is broken, we can expect a move to the downside. However, we are not there yet, or even close to there. So let's go on to weekly and see weekly what's happening. Weekly has tested this fair value gap very nicely, as been previously mentioned, and let's see how the price moved. So this was previous week's lowest, and this was the previous week opening. If you go on smaller time frame, that market made the low, and then after that, and after breaking the opening, that was a great opportunity. That's a great opportunity for buy. And in 4 hour, you can see there's a good movement from there. Okay, that's for the learning purpose. And if you go on to our daily pattern, see what's happening. Let's remove all this. Daily market has just took liquidity from this daily area, and market almost tested this W pattern here. This W pattern, let's see, in different time frame, you probably see here. Yeah, this W pattern has been tested in daily. There's still a little room here, like maybe around 20 or 30 pips. The market could have checked that tested this W pattern was in smaller time frame, in 4 hour, in 5 hour. In fact, it's more clear, and you can go on 4 hour and see this is M pattern. So W pattern here, and this is M pattern, M pattern. So it has been tested already, and I'm expecting move to the downside to this level. So if you go on smaller time frame, so in fact, before we go to smaller time frame, you see that this, let me remove all this. This area market is currently in the downward. So 1, 2, 3, and we were expecting move to the downside. After liquidity sweep, we had moved to the downside. However, using the fib level here in 4 hour, market retraced from a 0 to 3 level, 0.23 level. Let's see what's this more clearly if I move this 0.23 level here. And then market went to the upside, and let me take the fib to the upside, and here is 0, closer to 0.5 level. It hasn't quite yet reached that yet. So all those 0.3 level was tested from here. Now, the reason why the market didn't quite first move was this 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, and then we could have, there was a one, then we had this level here. We could have had a move from here, but didn't. Even from here, we didn't, because we had a area of interest here. Here we had area of interest, and there was a liquidity here. Market took the liquidity, came down at 0.23 level of Fibonacci of this leg, and then move to the upside. This was the fair value gap, and this was a gap in the market as well. So instead of moving from there, market would come down from here, and now it's made a double M pattern, and from M pattern, I'm expecting move to the downside to this W pattern, which I previously just mentioned. Okay, if you go in smaller time frame, 15 minutes, see how this is shown in this diagram. And market broke this level to the downside, then rejected from here. The, uh, this was a level in 15 minutes, sell level. We had a liquidity sweep of this level. Then market went to the downside. Now I'm expecting sell from here. Uh, However, if market doesn't go there, we won't see any sells. Then we'll look for the next setup, or possibly on the break of this, or even from buy from here, depending on different time frames and reaction of the market. Then we can see buy from here as well at the neck of the W pattern. And different time frames we analyze, we can even see reaction to the market here as well. So we look for the buy, maybe shorter term buy from here as well. So let's see how the market will move, and do it 4 hour again and see what happens. So if the market comes down and breaks this 4 hour, then we can even see further move to the downside. So this area is important. If it's broken, this area, but this order block has been tested already. So now we can see for the 15 minutes, we'll have a more clear picture. So we can break here, and then we'll see once more 1 hour. So if this area is broken, then this is another scenario. So let's see how the market reacts. And you always can use for your moving averages and RSI to complement your analysis to add probability. I hope this is helpful, and thank you very much. Have a good day. Good night. Bye-bye.